Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you this small little tip today about my preference for where to put assignment instructions in homework assignments or projects and things like that. So if I go in my editor here for my assignment, a lot of people they just see this text box here and they say, okay, I'm gonna throw my assignment instructions in there, and that's fine if that's your preference. Go for it. But just keep in mind, the thing is that on the student's end, it ends up looking like this, and again, that's fine. They're going to be able to read the instructions just fine. But for me, I just dislike it a little bit because it's over to the left, and it kind of messes with my formatting a little bit. I prefer actually putting it into the add activity instructions text box. So I'm just going to get rid of that. And so if we click on that and get the drop-down text box, I'm just going to throw it in there. And if I do that, it just makes it look a little better. If you see at the top here, it actually says instructions. And my favorite is that it's not messing with my format at all. It looks exactly the way it did when I originally wrote the instructions. And so I feel that it's just a little more pleasing to the eye, and it focuses the students in on what they need to do. But there's no right or wrong. It's either way, but it's just my preference, and I just wanted to show you guys, just to show you that there is a different option.